This is the direction video for Education 180 Presentation 4. Our topic this week is supporting families of exceptional children and looking specifically at the legal rights and responsibilities. So we're going to start with our warm-up this week, and you're going to listen to the song and the video, and then after you listen to the song, write down the first thing that it makes you think of on our Padlet board. You can access the Padlet board by clicking here. Topic number 1 are children with special needs. You can read through the slides. We have a couple slides to read through. And when you get to the bar graph, click on the little video for a podcast that explains the information on this slide. Topic 2 is special needs children and you. So we're going to think about the things that you are going to encounter as the teacher of a special needs child, and share your thoughts on Padlet. And you can access the Padlet board by clicking right here. And also look at the comments and statements your peers have shared and try to comment on them as well. Our third topic is the law. We're going to study two types of federal legislation, and they're broken down on the next two slides. And then when we get to our third slide in this area, I want you to listen to the podcast that explains the 6 principles of IDEA. You can access that podcast right here. Our fourth topic is looking at the laws, and are the laws changing in our country? So we have a slide and then a video and a little area to read about what's going to be presented in the video. Make sure you listen to this carefully and make this connection between what's in this video and what you just learned about with our federal laws in place. Then we have kind of an activity where you're going to put yourself in 2 scenarios and think about what it would be like to be in these teachers' shoes based on the new changes that may be coming to our country. Then choose one specific scenario and share your ideas on Padlet. Our fifth area is a plan to help the students that have special needs. So the first kind of plan we're going to look at is the IEP and the IFSP, and they're going to be compared in the video. The handout that is used in this video can be accessed in the weekly presentation folder on D2L, where you found this presentation. The next kind of plan we're going to look at is the IEP compared to the 504 plan. And this video does a good job of explaining the differences. And to access the handout that will tell you even more information, you can click on the link below. Next, we're going to look at working with families of these students with disabilities. And there's a video on the left. I'd like you to watch that disability video. And you can see right away that this child has a severe impairment. And I want you to just pay attention to the video and really watch for what are some stressors of families of children with disabilities, what are difficulties they have, what are things they celebrate as successes, and what are some special needs these families may need you as the teacher to think about, or you need help from others. After you've watched the video and you've jotted down some answers, share those answers over on our Padlet board and you can access it right here. There are just 3 categories that our disabilities mainly fall into. Those are emotional disabilities, multicultural disabilities, and medical disabilities. And I'd like you to read through this slide and just think about what difficulties parents may have in each of these 3 areas and how we as teachers can help them. Last are assignments for the week, and you can read through those on this last slide. If you have any questions, post on Facebook and I'll get back to you right away.